Good morning, dear students. In last class, we have completed our chapter. In today's class, we will discuss book exercise. Our first question is list condition under which combustion takes place. So, two conditions are necessary. First one is oxygen for support of combustion. So first is oxygen required and second one is required ignition temperature. So two conditions are necessary for combustion. Now second one is fill in the blanks. Burning of wood and coal cause pollution. A liquid fuel used in homes is LPG. C. Fuel must be heated to its ignition temperature. D. Fire produced by oil cannot be controlled by water. Now, next question is explain how the use of CNG in automobiles has less reduced pollution in our cities. Answer is page number 73. This is your answer. The use of diesel and petrol as fuel in automobile is being replaced by CNG because CNG produce the harmful products in very small amount. CNG produce harmful products in very small amount and CNG is a cleaner fuel. That's why we use CNG gas instead of petrol and diesel. Now our next question is compare LPG and wood as a fuels. Wood and LPG. Difference in between LPG and wood. First, LPG does not cause pollution. Wood cause pollution. Second, LPG does not produce smoke and wood produce smoke. It is liquid fuel and wood is solid fuel. The calorific value of LPG is more and calorific value of wood is less. This is the difference in between LPG and wood. Now our next question, give reason. Water is not used to control fire involving electrical equipments. It means if electrical equipment catches fire, then we don't use water. We should not use water. Why? Water is good conductor of electricity. It causes shock to person trying to extinguish fire. Okay, so we should not use water because water is a good conductor of electricity. LPG is a better domestic fuel than wood. Yes, LPG has more calorific value and it does not produce air pollution. So LPG is a better domestic fuel. Next, paper by itself catches fire easily, whereas a piece of paper wrapped around an aluminium pipe does not, because paper the ignition temperature of paper is low, so it easily catches fire. But the paper wrapped in aluminium pipe absorb the heat, so ignition temperature does not reach, so paper does not burn. Next question, make label diagram of a candle flame. Its answer is page number 72. This is the answer, label diagram of flame. Now next question is name the unit in which the calorific value of a fuel is expressed. So calorific value is expressed in kilojoule per kilogram. This is the unit, kilojoule per kilogram. Explain how CO2 is able to control fire. So answer is on page number this is page number 69. So carbon dioxide is the best extinguisher because being heavier than oxygen cover the fire like a blanket. Since the contact between fuel and oxygen is cut off, the fire is controlled. Okay, that's why we should use CO2 as a fire extinguisher. So the answer is present as page number 69. Answer is present page number 69. Question number 8. Question number 9. It is difficult to burn a heap of green leaves, but dry leaves catches fire easily. Yes, heap of green leaves because green leaves contain water. So its ignition temperature get increase. It does not easily get ignition temperature. That's why green leaves difficult to burn. But dry leaves does not contain water, so its ignition temperature is low. It easily catches fire. Next question, which zone of a flame does a goldsmith use for melting gold and silver? For melting gold and silver, goldsmith use outermost zone, which is non-luminous zone. It contain maximum amount of heat. That's why it melt the gold and silver. 11th, in an experiment, 4.5 kilogram of a fuel was completely burned. He had produced was measured to be 1,80,000 kilojoule. Calculate the calorific value. This is the formula of calorific value equals to heat produced upon amount of area. So the heat produced is 1,80,000 and amount of fuel is 4.5 kilogram. So the answer is 40,000 kilojoule per kilogram. Question number 12. Can the process of rusting be called combustion? Yes, rusting is also a combustion process because rusting is also carried out in the presence of oxygen, and during the formation of oxide, heat is released. So, in rusting of iron, oxygen is needed and heat is also released. That's why it is a combustion process. Next question. Abida and Ramesh were doing an experiment in which water was to be heated in a beaker. Abida kept the beaker near the wick in the yellow part of the candle flame. Ramesh kept the beaker in outermost part of the flame. Whose water will get heated in shorter time? The water which put by Ramesh will get heated in shorter time because Ramesh kept the beaker outermost part of the flame, and outermost part is the most heatable part of the flame. It is a non-luminous flame. It contains maximum heat. That's why Ramesh beaker water will get heated in a shorter time because it put the beaker in outermost zone, and outermost zone contain maximum heat. Okay, so this is the solution of your chapter 6 book exercise. Let's see. You can easily see your answers. All answers are written in this book page. You can write down from there. Now your chapter has been completed. Your book exercise also completed. Now in next class we will start our new chapter number 7. Okay, thank you so much and have a nice